Hi, so this is my presentation of the Plan B company. Plan B is a small beehive management firm started by Wade Asher Ball in 2011 with the goal to make money while pursuing this passion of helping the bees and highlighting their vitality to society. The company involves producing honey and honey products such as their honey vinegar or Honeygir product. However, a majority of their profit is made through firms contacting the company and implementing their own hives, which will be regulated and managed by Plan B. Organisations, including huge companies such as L'Oreal and Highland Spring Water, partner with Plan B to improve their CSR and brand image. This benefits Plan B also, as the honey produced by their organisational partners' hives get harvested by them for use in their own products, and in exchange, Plan B creates a CSR report for the organisation. So since the majority of Plan B's profits are generated through their contracts signed with their organisational partners, the entrepreneur Wade has the objective that with any international venture, the local community must be benefiting. For example, through providing employment. This would achieve his personal goals as well as attracting more organisations to partner with Plan B for CSR benefits. This would increase their sales as well as profits. Therefore, the plan is to open a small honey farm with hives and a small premises through foreign direct investment. The country selected is Senegal, due to its perfect weather for honey production, trade benefit and lack of trade blocks, as well as a low employment rate, which would ensure the local community is helped through job creation. The political environment is very stable with a peaceful democracy. There is also strong economic growth in recent years, meaning that this venture eliminates a lot of risk. The honey produced in the Senegal location would then be exported back to the UK to be used for manufacturing Plan B products. However, there are a lot of challenges to consider when implementing this venture. For example, the time spent building a new location is long and would take away from production within the UK markets. There are cultural differences also, such as the language barriers, meaning translators may need to be hired, which could be costly. The honey experts from Plan B would also need to travel to Senegal to train the locals in production, which would take money and progress away being made within their UK premises and markets. Costs may be high also due to the purchase of infrastructure and raw materials. However, there are actions that can overcome these difficulties, such as they could hire financial experts to better understand the economic landscape, as well as they could possibly seek financial aid from existing organisational partners who already have contracts with the organisation but wish to improve their CSR image even further. They also would need to hire more expert beekeepers for the UK location to replace the ones that would need to be leaving to travel and train within the Senegal local areas. They also should look for contacts within Senegal for construction, infrastructure and raw materials, as well as the increase in promotional and marketing activities is vital in order to attract new contracts. Finally, they should consider government financial aid such as a regional growth fund, which is perfect for small businesses such as Plan B wishing to grow. And finally, when it comes to reflection on the process, I found that it strikes me that when considering international venture, the importance of the entrepreneur himself and the knowledge of the industry, particularly in a niche market such as honey production, is vital, particularly when considering entry into developing markets such as Senegal, where there is little previous knowledge of the product or market. From the point of view of Plan B, the possession of different forms of capital, but particularly the importance of human capital, from the skills and specific knowledge of the workforce from Wade himself to the skilled managers as well as the beekeepers, is what has ensured their success and should ensure their success if they look to increase their international ventures. Finally, thank you for listening.